In this video, we will learn the mirror command. If you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Let's start. So here we have this object. We want to mirror this little circle. The first approach is to select this plane, and features to mirror is this one. This approach is not going to be successful. Let's see what happens. Click OK. Let's rotate it, and there is no circle at the back. Most of the beginners do this mistake because they do not know how it works. Let's see the other wrong approach. Expand this bar and select front plane, and now in feature to mirror, select this circle. Now rotate this, and now as you can clearly see that this plane is not at the middle. Click OK to see whether it's going to work or not. And here we have the result that the feature is not mirror. Now delete this mirror command. And now let me show you the correct method to mirror by making a plane. Select this surface, rotate it, and select the other surface. Like this. Now we have selected two surfaces and the plane is at the middle. You can see the plane is at the middle. We have selected the face 1 and face 2. Okay. Now click OK. We have the plane at the middle now. Select mirror command. And now you can see that this plane 1 is selected as mirror plane. And now select feature to mirror this circle. Rotate it. Now click OK. And yes, here it is. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.